happy ako na for the longest years na NDR karon ay na.
As our conversations still running through your head. We've got big decisions, yeah, they're staring in our face. And I didn't know just how to say it. Oh. But if I'm headed out, I'll be holding on.
Nung natitigan ko dun na parang pumutok, boom! Ito na talaga.
Could break that tie. I'll be holding on to you till the day I die. If we're across this country, or we're half a world away, or we've always known we'd have to roll with every change.
Kabay ng inyong mga eksperyensya nga nalapuwasan bilang mga mag-asawa, ma-impart ninyo nga magpabakod kay Yuri kag sinaring sanda nga pagpalangahanay kag sanda nga pag-asawahay. Amen.
If you're headed out, I'll be holding on. 'Cause I kinda love can take the miles.
Hi, Daddy. Thank you for everything. Salamat gid kay nag-abot ka sa akin nga kabuhi. Thankful gid ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Mula na palangga ko ikaw. Sobra.
Even if the sun goes down, right when yours is coming up, it won't set on our love.
Stick lang tayo sa plan, mami. Stick lang tayo sa plan. And then message ko, I will guide you and I will protect you. That's it. And most of all, I love you so much. Mwah!
There's no distance now that could break that tie. I'll be holding on to you, and I believe we'll make it through till the day I die. Somewhere, waves through a long south path, faces just stop and stare, catching no lights. So I hold you close, no matter where you go, through all the rain and snow, I'll be close behind.
Daddy, salamat gid sa tanan-tanan. Kabay pa nga maging forever kita. Ikaw rin gid para kanakan. Kag always lang ako dyan para kanimo mag-support kanimo. Kabay pa nga maging maatang nga plano nga magka-family gid. Kabay pa nga matuman gid. I love you so much. Diyan lang ako para kanimo always.
Holes in my shoes, walking in lines we drew. You said you're just passing through 6 years ago. So I hold you. These threads won't go undone if you hold down. Carry you.
Sa present sa mga family nga nag-travel pa from Davao, my parents, my auntie, the last auntie of Duran, and my brother and sisters. Thank you so much, and my hipag.
Sa tanan ng pamilya ko, sa Duran, sa Dulos Reyes, sa Vista, sa Umagap, sa Harvison, kaninyo nga tanan, sa mga bisita, thank you so much.
It's all I have. I meant every word I've said. I'll carry you home.